Recently, Oppo launched a new smartphone in the Pakistani market, the Oppo A6 Pro, following the success of its predecessor, the A5 Pro. The A5 Pro stood out not because of an extraordinary camera or cutting-edge processor, but due to its exceptional durability in its price segment. It was especially appreciated by users whose phones often broke from drops. And the A6 Pro builds upon that same philosophy, but with several significant upgrades. By the time of recording, the phone hadn't been officially released, but it was expected to be priced between PKR 70,000 to 80,000. Although this is a noticeable price jump from the A5 Pro, the A6 Pro belongs to a completely different category, offering much more than just durability. It retains the robustness of the previous model, but brings in flagship-level features. One of the phone's most significant features is its 7,000 mAh battery, the largest ever, officially offered in a phone in the Pakistani market. It also supports 80W Super VOOC fast charging, has 100%